What's going on, guys? It's your boy Johnny. Today we're going to be painting on the tires.
Alright, let's give our machine some happy little highlights. Start with a bit of titanium white right across the fairing, just like that. Pull a shadow under this windscreen, and a touch of race red for the accents.
Today we're going to put some paint on the tires and see how well these markers work. They're let me see. These are tire markers. So stay tuned, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get it. Okay, guys, this is the brand. This is the brand, guys. Pelto Tough. We're gonna see how well they work. So what I'm gonna focus on, I'm gonna paint on the letters that are popping out. Like right here it says radio. You can't hardly tell, but I kind of wanted to match the color of the paint. So let's get it. Okay, we're gonna open up the package. Going out. I kind of like how it's wrapped in plastic. That will keep the tip from drying and the paint from drying as well. See, we're gonna get it opened. Really gotta have to give it a shake. Okay, before you put any paint anywhere, you want to try it on a surface. See, it doesn't paint because this has one of those tips that you have to like push. See that? For the paint to come out. So it's not really about shaking on this. You have to push it till the paints come out. Okay, before you lay any paint, you want to try how wide or how thin it is. I think it looks pretty good. In comparison to my finger, it's not bad, pretty small. It's small enough to do design on nails, but I don't do that kind of work. We're gonna start by the easiest letter, which is the letter I. And then I'm gonna have to speed it up a little bit because this actually took me a pretty long time, and I'm trying to speed up the process. And the reason I took long is because I want to stay inside the line. Keep in mind, guys, these type of Sharpies are made for tires. It's supposed to be very durable, but we'll see about that. And make sure not to damage the tip, because if you do, the paint will stop flowing through it. Alright, guys, I had to open the garage to have a better light because it was too dark inside the garage. You want to grab the edge of the letter and let the paint soak in. Kind of messed up there. It's fine if you mess up a little bit. All right. Okay, so my thoughts are the paint lays pretty well on it. It's just harder than I thought, because you have to get like really close. Like right now I'm sitting on a chair behind the camera, and you just gotta, like an artist, you gotta put your hand on the paper and brush away. That's the easiest. Okay, guys, as you guys could tell, the first pass is already very, very white. I'm gonna give it a second pass just to make it a little whiter, like I said. See right there, little black dots right there. And we're gonna paint the rest of the letters that are popping out like this. I'm actually starting to like this paint, and we're gonna do the whole tire. We're just gonna take our time, and then probably gonna do this behind the camera, so I don't have to bore you with this. The paint is thick enough. It's pretty bright, pretty white, but like I said, I will give it a second coat just to make it a little whiter and make it last. And I'm gonna give it maybe about a week, and then make another video, see if it stays on or what, right? So the easiest way I find to do this is by supporting my hand somewhere, just like when you're painting on a piece of paper with a brush, and you support your hand, and then brush it. You want to start on the edges and then work your way into the inside. That's the easiest form. So this is how it looks like so far. I do not have a steady hand. If you do have a steady hand, you could probably make it look way better. But that's the progress so far. And if you mess up, don't worry, because from far away, it looks great. You can even tell. Get Uncle's reaction. See what he thinks.
Yeah, it looks nice. You waxed it?
Oh, the tires.
Oh, yeah.
Well, what do you notice?
The white little things on there?
Yup.
But you waxed the fucking tree. It looks fucking...
Yeah, last time I washed it. And I put that soap that...
It looks really, really good.
I put the soap that makes it shine.
No se ha mirado tan limpiecito, Johnny.
Pa' que veas. What you want to do? You want to wipe the dirt off? Wherever your letters are. Your lettuce. Your letters. Letters. Look at my uncle trying to copy my style. That's his truck. That's the next project. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. But back to the tires. So let me school you one more time. You should pour your both hands. This is an H, so look at what I do. Go around the edge first. Focus on the outside. And then do the inside. Just let me do it, bro. Let me do it. Okay. Looks so good. No, it's fine. Okay, guys, this is the final product. I hope you guys really like. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And I really hope you like these markers. And even though they're not a sponsor, go ahead and buy them. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time. Let's get it.